Did you know that you can scan a document directly to your iPhone using this hack? Find your Notes app on your iPhone and hold down on it until the submenu pops up and click Scan Document. Once you've done that, all you have to do is hold your iPhone over top of the document and it will automatically crop your image and convert it into a PDF. Once you click Save, all that's left to do is export it to wherever you...
This is how you password protect notes. This note is locked under a password. You can also use Face ID or Touch ID. To do so, simply swipe left, hit the lock button, and enter a password.
You can share a note with others and collaborate on it together. Here's how. In a note, tap the Add People button. Then choose how to share, like through messages or mail. When someone makes a change, like checking off an item, everyone will see it. Just open the note to see what changes have been made. Create, share, collaborate.
You can add tags to reminders in your iCloud account. Then easily find all the tags across your lists. Here's how. When creating or editing a reminder, tap the Tag button in the Quick toolbar. Type a single word to use as your tag. To finish adding tags, tap Done. To see all your tags, tap Lists and scroll down to the tag browser. Then, just tap a tag to see tagged reminders across all of your lists. Better organization with tags.
Here's how to draw and collaborate with others in Notes. In a note, tap Handwriting Tools. Select a tool, then start drawing with an Apple Pencil or your finger. If you'd like to collaborate with others, tap the Add People button. Then choose How to Share. Everyone you share with must turn on the Notes app in their iCloud settings to edit the note. That's teamwork.
Welcome everyone, here is how you use Quick Notes in iOS 16. So first of all, if you have an iPad, this is the wrong video, this is for iPhone users only. So the first step is you're going to open up the Settings app. From here, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see Control Center. Tap on this one. Now you're going to scroll all the way down and you should see here Quick Note. Tap on the plus and now Quick Note is turned on. So in order to activate Quick Note, you can do this from the home screen or the lock screen. You're either going to slide down from the far right hand side if your iPhone does not have a home button. If your iPhone does have a home button, you're going to slide up from the bottom. Okay. Now you're going to see this little notes icon with a squiggly line. Tap on this one and then it will allow you to do a quick note like so. Once everything looks good, you can save or you can cancel. Again, you can also do this from the lock screen as well. With that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.